This is the elevator at the Palumbo Science Center at Roche College in McCandless, Pennsylvania. This is a Westinghouse elevator from the late 70s or early 80s, I believe. It looks like an in-use light bulb. That's a little odd in case fire stairs. Look to 2. What's up with the light next to the buttons? These are really strange fixtures. Here we go up. California compliant fixtures or whatever. For their EPCO. Here are 2. Why are the lights next to the buttons? I do find that weird. I'll go back down to 1. I think the motor's still on, unless that's something else. No phone, just wiring. Pretty basic fake wood grain cap from the era. Here back at 1 is probably from the late 70s. It says UT. How close is not going to be it?